on the Bodmin Railway, going up the hill back to Bodmin from Boscarn junction. Lovely sound, if you can hear it. See how steep it is. Ooh, smuts everywhere. Let's go to the other side. It's not very busy. Great Western Railway's tank. I don't know what class. Powerful though. It's all uphill. Coming to the end of May now. I hope you like the sound of it as much as I do. There's a monument up on the top of the hill, that spike. It's all granite. I don't know what it's a monument to. Go back to the other side. That's good advice, that is. Shame you can't get the smell of the smoke and steam. It's delicious. The rhododendrons are out. Soot's falling down on these smuts. It's quite a climb. Quite sinuous for a standard gauge line. Hey?
You want your photograph taken in the hand?
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you. Very kind of you. Have me hat photograph taken in a guard's hat. That's a good idea. Really working, isn't it? My son and his family will be waiting at the platform. They were meant to be on this train, but unfortunately they followed Google Maps and took them twice as long to get here, so they missed it. But I got on the train anyway. Of course, I bought a ticket for this one. Might not have let me on the other. I might go on it anyway, but you've got to be careful with Google Maps. It could get you anywhere. Sound the whistle. Wonder if it will. Beautiful countryside, I'll show you. Look at that, it's a picture. Let's have a frame. Back round to this side. Top of this hill, we should go round the bend to the station. If you're still watching, you really do like trains. Perhaps Ian Strange up in Birmingham or wherever with his AC, perhaps he's watching, he likes trains. Don't know if he likes steam. Cutting through actual rock here. Always at caution, that signal. Ooh, all sorts of soot coming out, smuts. The French engine drivers had goggles, it's a good idea. Here we come. Out. That whistle will let them know at the station, unless they can, of course they can hear, but we're just round the bend. Normally I take a video of the trains coming in and out, just sitting on the station with a cigar. I used to teach at Bodmin school, the secondary school. It was horrible. Sounded the whistle, didn't it? That's an old sleeper coach we're passing here. Don't know what happened to it. It's been here for years. Now, will my family be on the station? Yes, there's my son, I think. Or is it somebody else? Somebody else. Swapping the token. There we are. Hope you've enjoyed the trip. Bye bye.